What makes an anime interesting? See the story, or the characters, or something else? Yes, everyone have different view. But I think almost everyone agrees on one thing. The ending. A happy or satisfying end can even save a mediocre show by giving you the conclusion you craved for. So these are 10 animes that will give you a smile at the end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon that you get notified when we upload a new video. Number 10. Itazura na Kiss. This anime is only available in sub and it has 25 episodes. And for genres we have comedy, romance and shoujo. Itazura na Kiss tells the story of a high school girl named Kotoko Ihara, who has a crush on school's most handsome and smartest boy named Naoki Rei. There is no way that he will fall for Kotoko, who is ditzy and at the bottom set of her school. But as fate would have it, she gets a chance to get closer to him. When her newly built house is destroyed in an earthquake, she is forced to share the same house with Irei. Number 9. Tada Never Falls in Love. This anime has 13 episodes and dub, and for genres we have comedy, romance and slice of life. Mitsuyoshi Tada is a high school student who doesn't know anything about love or what it means to fall in love. All he cares about is taking pictures. But everything changes when he meets a cheerful foreigner named Teresa Wagner and helps her to reunite with her travel companion. Some of you may say this anime doesn't have that much romance, but I think it has its share of romance. And if you put that aside, this anime has a lot to offer. If you have some free time, you should definitely give it a try. Number 8. Wolf Girl and Black Prince. This anime has 12 episodes and sub only, and for genres we have comedy, romance, school and shoujo. Erika Shinohara lied to her new friends, claiming to have a beautiful boyfriend. When her friends ask for a picture of him, Erika easily snaps a photo of a handsome stranger on the road. But that single act turns on herself, as the boy in the picture is Kiyoya Sata, the most popular guy of her school. Then Erika begs Kiyoya to pretend to be her boyfriend for some time, and he accepts. The problem is, Kiyoya is not exactly the kind-hearted prince the people in the school talk about. This sparkly couple is bound to give you non-stop laughter and cute romance. Number 7. Kami-sama Kiss. This anime has 13 episodes and dub, and for genres we have comedy, demons, supernatural, romance, fantasy and shoujo. It would be nice to have a familiar who will help you with everything you need and saves you from every danger. It sounds nice, isn't it? But for Nanami, who just became the goddess of a local shrine, things aren't looking that good, because she got a hot-tempered and violent fox, Tomoe, as her familiar, and she has to kiss him first to make him her familiar. I don't want to talk too much about this anime and spoil everything. Just give it a try and it will melt your heart. Number 6. Real Girl. This anime has 12 episodes and dub, and for genres we have romance, school and shoujo. Tsutsui Hikari is a high school student and an otaku who doesn't want anything to do with real girls or real world. All he cares about is 2D girls that he encounters in anime and game. But one day, when he arrives late to the class, he is punished to clean the pool together with a real girl named Igarashi Roma, who is showy and popular with boys. They are the polar opposite of each other. But what if these two start a date? You can find that out in this rom-com anime. Number 5. Toradora. This anime has 25 episodes and dub, and for genres we have slice of life, comedy, romance, and school. Ryoji Takasu is a kind and gentle boy who likes to do housework, but because of his intimidating looks, he is labeled as a delinquent. And Taiga Isaga, who is small, cute and fragile girl with a bad temper and feisty personality. But there's one thing they have in common. They are both in love with each other's best friends. To help each other, they form an alliance. But after spending time together, both Taiga and Ryuji start to realize that their interest lies elsewhere. Toradora is a rare gem that can be missed, so be sure to check it out. Number 4. Maid Sama. This anime has 26 episodes and dub, and for genres we have comedy, romance, school and shoujo. Misaki Aizawa is the first female student council president of once all boys school turned co-ed. And she is an Aikido master. And she is not afraid of using her skills on the boys. That's why they call her Demon President. But Misaki has a secret, that she works as a part-time maid at a maid cafe to support her family. But when Takumi Usui, the most popular boy of the Seikai High School, discovers secret, and that's when Misaki's flawless image begins to get threatened. Maid Sama is a popular romantic comedy anime that stole viewers' hearts. Number 3. Kimi ni Todoke. This anime is only available in sub and it has 25 episodes, and for genres we have slice of life, drama, romance, school and shoujo. Sabako is just like any other high school girls who want to make friends and be useful. The only problem is she looks a little like Sadako from The Rings. Because of that, her behavior is easily misunderstood by her classmates who think she is scary. But everything started to change when the most popular boy, named Kazahaya, started to talk to her. Kimi ni Todoke is a sweet romance anime with an ending that everyone will like. Number 2. Love, Chunibyo and Other Delusions. This anime has 12 episodes and dub, and for genres we have slice of life, comedy, drama, romance and school. Love, Chunibyo and Other Delusions is one of my favorite anime because of many reasons, like story, characters and much more. The story is simple. A high school boy named Yuta Togashi, who was a Chunibyo sufferer, and to get away from his dark past, he enrolled in a faraway high school to start a new school life. Everything was going great until he met Rika Takanashi, who is affiliated with Chunibyo syndrome. And the worst part is that she discovers about Yuta's dark past and uses that to include him in all of her wacky schemes. It's one of the best rom-com anime with a great animation. I know so many of you have already watched it, but if you haven't yet, then go watch it now. And before we talk about the last anime, I want all of you to please go and check out our second channel, King's Anime, if you haven't yet. We upload top 10 anime lists there too. And you can also help us by buying some anime merch from the link in description. Number 1. Clannad. This anime has 23 episodes and dub, and for genres we have comedy, drama, romance, school, slice of life and supernatural. It is very sad when you have to repeat the same year again and again. It is the same for Nagisa Furukawa. She had missed a lot of previous school years and thus is repeating her third year again. Because of that, everybody she knew has already graduated. But when she meets Tomoya Okazaki, a third year high school student who is generally bored with life and doesn't take his studies, future or anything else seriously. After seeing Nagisa and feeling sorry for her, he starts to spend time with her. And you know what happens next. Planet is a series with all things you need: comedy, drama, and of course romance. This is a must watch for those who enjoy endings that are nearly perfect.